Hello, today we are trying to solve Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL paper question number 2, part D of the question. Sheila is concerned that after every financial period there always seems to be errors to correct. A friend has suggested considering the use of the information communication technology ICT to prepare her books of accounts. It is the use of computers, okay. Evaluate whether computers, Excel sheets, okay, some software Excel programs they are talking about. Evaluate accounting software programs. Evaluate whether Sheila should invest in the use of ICT communication technology. So it involves a number of softwares, okay, accounting software. So what is ICT? ICT means ICT has a lot of accounting softwares, okay. So a lot of accounting softwares are used, okay. That is what is meant by use of ICT means computers, okay. Now the arguments in favor of using such ICT is going to be first one, okay. I have made the points here. You know that there will be automatic arithmetic calculations, there will be less errors, and there is no paperwork, and it is more secure. But still errors can arise if, okay, if it is, okay, if there are certain errors cannot be still be identified, like we saw. These are the principal errors which cannot be, certain errors cannot be identified, like omission, reversal, entry, compensation, principal errors. Such errors cannot be identified. Then it is also costly because you have to invest in those accounting software and you have to keep updating as well, okay. And still it can break down if a computer gets destroyed, damaged, or if a virus attack happens, okay, or a malware attack happens, then you will lose the data. So these are the points on which you will talk for the ICT, okay. Now the arguments used for investment in ICT is the number of errors should be reduced as a computer will always carry out the double entry using the current accounts. Automatic double entry will become easy, okay, it will do it automatically. So this is going to result in the speed and accuracy of processing. So you don't have to keep entering, okay, and it is going to save a lot of time. So speed and processing is faster. And other benefits such as speed with which reconciliations on final accounts can be produced easily. Up-to-date information on client or expense accounts will be available. So this is going to enable for the management to understand their accounts properly. Then greater security of information through restricted access to data and the use of passwords. So you have to evaluate fully. So what happens even if there is no arithmetic error, there is no paper, it is automatic. It just means it is benefiting because there is a speed, automatic production of reconciliation statements and final accounts, so which the management can understand about a client or the expense accounts immediately, up to date information. And also it is secure, okay. Anybody cannot steal your books and get the hold of accounts so easily if you set up passwords. But what is against the ICT is not all errors will be eliminated, as errors due to operator errors will still exist. Suppose the original entry itself does not happen, or it happens incorrectly, then such errors cannot be identified. And also there will be need to considerable restraining of the staff, which will be time consuming and costly. So staff training will incur a cost, computer hardware purchase will incur a cost, software packages will be costly, and you will have to update and maintain it. So maintenance cost will also be there. So a lot of costs will be involved. And the risks of breakdown, hacking, and downloading the malware means, okay, means loss of data, okay, to business. So the loss of accounts to the business, okay, accounts data to the business. So that's why but you, in conclusion, you will say it is better to use ICT as it is the latest and fast, okay, fast way to analyze and produce accounts reports. So you can easily produce, okay, you can easily produce and analyze a lot of account reports easily. So you will say it is better. You can see otherwise also, okay, it is also, you can say it is better to use ICT without the software, because